in winter slows down. It is the time of waiting for the glorious things to come in my garden. The dreams of green leaves, the smell of dirt, the promise of seeds and fresh plants. The faithful companionship of old yew bushes growing at the side of my house. Stately green arborvitaes standing like soldiers in a row. Maple trees, young and strong. My wonderful perennials all getting ready for spring. It is good to have a garden. My name is Olga. My family and I live in coastal Connecticut, New England, USA. My garden is small, but it is full of green plants and interesting corners to explore. I am Ukrainian. My childhood was spent in the Carpathian Mountains visiting my grandma at the farm. This is where my deep connection with the land began. Today is a very snowy day, and I just got a message that my collection of herb seeds is coming tomorrow in the mail. Some of them will be planted straight out into the vegetable beds, and some will be sown indoors. Life is good. Spring is coming. Here in New England, we need a lot of patience because spring is slow to come and can be quite unpredictable. But my plants know exactly when to unfurl their bright new leaves and come to new life better than ever. I am inviting you to come to my garden through my videos. It is going to be a wonderful journey, and I want you to be part of my garden adventures. Last year, a family of red cardinals made a nest inside our glorious mature climbing rose near the outside table. The family of birds got so used to us that Mama Bird and Daddy Bird came to feed their little chick during our dinner times outside. So cute that baby bird was, sitting at the side of the nest and looking at us. I hope the cardinals will remember their nest and will be back this coming spring. Life is good. Come to my garden and let's be friends.